Hi, Giacomo Listi, Practice Lead for the Energy Utility Practice at Lovelytics.
Hi, my name is Claire Salling. I'm a Solution Architect with the Energy and Utilities Practice at Lovelytics.
Introducing Gridlytics AI, a grid intelligence accelerator to modernize the grid with measurable value, built on the Databricks Data Intelligence Platform. The business challenge is aging electric grids weren't built for today's demands. Decentralized energy, electric vehicles, AI data centers, and extreme weather are pushing infrastructure beyond its limits. Utilities must modernize fast. But without unified real-time data and AI-driven insights, grid reliability, efficiency, and resilience remain out of reach. The cost of doing nothing is more outages, inability to integrate renewables, higher operational expenses, greater vulnerability to cyber threats, and eroded customer trust. For an average utility, $200 to $300 million is at risk by not proactively modernizing the grid. In response to the challenges we talked about, Lovelytics has developed the Gridlytics AI Accelerator, a powerful solution that transforms fragmented grid data into real-time, actionable insights. Built on the Databricks Data Intelligence Platform as a certified brick builder, Gridlytics leverages a unified data ontology, AI models, and GenAI capabilities to modernize grid operations and drive smarter, faster decisions. And now I'm going to pass it off to Claire, who will explain the value metrics and show a Gridlytics demo.
The Gridlytics AI Accelerator includes an interface built in Databricks apps, which serves as a single pane of glass for its users and unifies data that is often historically siloed into different systems. It pulls from outage management, customer information, GIS, and more to generate high-level summaries of operational risk and corresponding drivers, allowing leadership to get a holistic understanding of their systems and be able to communicate contextualized status updates to others within their organization. Real-time risk scores are broken down by feeders for lower-level analysis and targeted circuit prioritization. This enables a more strategic approach to grid modernization, where resources are dynamically allocated to those areas that have the greatest impact upon important business KPIs. Want to understand how the risk scores are arrived at? Use our AI-powered grid agent named Griddy to further interact with and gain insights into the underlying data. Click into our AI-generated summaries to see natural language explanations of higher-level risk scores, and then investigate with Griddy to ask additional questions. To further explore the inputs into system and feeder risk, go into the System Reliability section, which provides more detailed reports of outage events and their impacts. All of the features you see here are supported by the Lovelytics Grid Ontology, built on industry standards using the Databricks Medallion architecture. Finally, take action on any flagged reliability issues in the Outage Analysis section. Visualize the impact of outages on your system using the Explorer page. Isolate subsets of the asset hierarchy and auto-generate work orders to organize field crews for maintenance, repair, and outage resolution. If you need to, you can also edit the work order details prior to submitting your work order to your work order management system.
The Gridlytics AI Accelerator isn't just a tool, it's driving quantifiable business value. It's a catalyst for operational transformation, and Lovelytics is already delivering measurable impact. 30% efficiency gains through AI-driven workflows, 10 to 20% productivity boost via prioritized upgrades. Gridlytics AI is a services accelerator that provides a single pane of glass built on Databricks apps and powered by the Lovelytics Grid Ontology for the Databricks Medallion architecture. It leverages the Databricks modern stack with operational AI signals and interpretive AI via the Griddy agent. The grid of the future demands intelligence, agility, and resilience. Gridlytics AI delivers that future today. Let's partner to modernize your grid. Contact Lovelytics for a demo and to conduct a data readiness assessment to identify what data you have to accelerate quantifiable grid business value.